As we have covered many topics, colors, and counting, and so many topics are there. Today I have decided to work on sentences as well and how to use Urdu in our normal conversation. For this, I have made a conversation, a little bit conversation between two people, and I have kept a fictitious name A and B. So, A says Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. And the B says Walaikum Assalam. Next, the A asks, how are you? तुम्हारा क्या हाल है? For you, we will write तुम्हारा क्या हाल है. Or we can write तुम कैसे हो? तुम या आप कैसे हो? Right? And the B will answer, I'm fine. मैं हूँ. am मैं ठीक. Fine is ठीक. मैं ठीक हूँ. What is, then A will ask, what is your name? तुम्हारा क्या नाम है? तुम्हारा या आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है? Name. Okay.